Welcome to Swapcard. In this video, I will show you the main features of the platform, how to create the virtual exhibition space. Log in by clicking on the Event Access button found in the email you received. Let's see all the platform contents together. At the top right, you will find the main commands. By clicking on this button, you return to the screen at any time. This is the chat space to meet and chat to all the participants you are connected to. Click on this button and immediately start a video call to the desired contact. This is the notification area. In this section, you receive reminders of sessions and interventions, push notifications, contact requests, reminders for scheduled meetings, and all other event notifications. The last button in the main menu is the one dedicated to your profile. Change your personal data by clicking here. Let's go back to the home page where you can see all the commands that direct you to specific sections. By clicking on the agenda, you can see all the presentations and sessions of the day. Let's see, for example, the opening session. In this space, the live streaming video appears automatically. In the area below, you will find the list of speakers and sponsors present at the session. On the right, there is a live chat space. Are you interested in a specific session? Click here and it will appear directly in the area My Event. In this area, you can create your personalised event, the sessions you registered for, your appointments, confirmed and pending, contacts, and your favourite companies. I recommend that you prepare for the event prior to it beginning, for example, a few days before it starts. Contact and appointment requests to the participants you think are most interesting. The networking area is the section dedicated to contact and meeting requests. How to make a contact and meeting request. For the contact request, click on the desired contact, write a short introduction message, and send the request. To request a meeting directly, select a time from those indicated and send the request accompanied by a short presentation message. Access the live streaming of the event by clicking here. You can consult and meet the speakers attending the event by clicking here. Also, in this case, you can send contact and meeting requests. This is the sponsor area where your company logo appears. By clicking on the logo, each participant can access the virtual exhibition area. I will shortly show you how to customize it. The help desk section is a technical support chat for the event for all participants. How to access and modify the exhibition area. Click here and enter your company's virtual page. This is the page visible to all participants but editable. Add a corporate video or image by clicking on Edit. I remind you that the formats are indicated in the description. In case of a video, you can insert a YouTube or Vimeo link. From this page, you can edit all company information, name, company description, social media, and references. You can add videos, documents, and images by clicking on Add in the corresponding area. I remind you to add all company members present at the event by sending an invitation request from the Your Team area by clicking here and typing the email address. In the appointment area, you will find all appointments of company members. You can export them by clicking Export. In Team Contacts, you can see all company connections confirmed during the event. By clicking Export, you can already export a first list with the details of the participants to whom you have requested or confirmed the connection request. Thank you, and I'll see you at the event. For over 30 years, IKN Italy has been creating shared experiences, business opportunities, moments of professional inspiration through B2B events, classroom training, live training, webinar, and in-company training. Our community. Contact us and discover the solutions that best suit your needs.